Hi, Jenny here. Happy New Year. Happy 2023. So I don't know about you, but the end of last year, being busy as the Christmas season is and all, we used our air fryer a lot to reheat a lot of food. But I just saw somebody make a grilled cheese sandwich in their air fryer, and that looked pretty delicious. So I thought, I want to try that. So that's what we're going to do today. Make a grilled cheese sandwich in the air fryer. Let's get started. For this recipe, you are going to need 2 slices of your favorite bread, a couple slices of some cheese, softened butter, and some mayonnaise. Don't feel like changing camera lenses at the moment. So we are going to preheat our air fryer at 370 degrees for 4 minutes. And while that's preheating, we will butter one side of our bread, put mayo on the other side, add our cheese, and go from there. Air fryer is preheated. So take a piece of aluminum foil, help make for a little bit easier cleanup. Push that in there. I forgot I was going to do that before I preheated the air fryer. All right. Put our sandwich in there. Notice that we had the mayo side up. Butter side is on the inside with the cheese. And my air fryer only does 360 or 375, so we're going to go 360. We'll still do it that 4 minutes. Check it, flip it, and go for another couple minutes. First 4 minutes is up, starting to look a little toasty. We will flip it over. I have a little bit of cheese peeking out. We'll go for another 3 and see how that turns out and see if we need more. That's after 3 minutes. I think I'm just going to go a little bit longer. Oh yeah. Nice. Ooh, very solid, crunchy. Still hot. Oh, ah, juice in my finger. There we go. Oh, the cheese is already melting there in the middle. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's hot. Get all that cheesy goodness. The grilled cheese sandwich is done. I've never had mayonnaise on a grilled cheese sandwich before though, so this is going to be a first for me. Let me know in the comments down below if you eat mayonnaise on your grilled cheese sandwiches. I will leave the recipe directions down in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching my videos and spending some time with me. I'm going to eat my lunch now. You guys have a very happy, successful, healthy 2023, and keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Okie dokie. Crunchy. Very tasty. Tastes like a grilled cheese. Can't taste any mayonnaise. So, it's sticking to my teeth. I like it. Good stuff. I'll make it again.